Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Grand View Hotel. How may I help you today?
Good evening. I'd like to book a room, please. Do you have any rooms available for tonight?
Of course. We have several options. Would you prefer a single room or a double room?
I think a double room would be nice. How much is it per night?
Our double rooms are $120 per night. That includes breakfast and free Wi-Fi.
That sounds great. Does the room have a nice view?
Yes, absolutely. Our double rooms on the upper floors have a beautiful city view. I can offer you a room on the 10th floor.
Perfect. I'll take it. How many nights can I stay?
You can stay as long as you like, sir. How many nights are you planning to stay?
I'll be staying for 3 nights, please.
Wonderful. 3 nights in a double room. May I have your name and a form of identification, please?
Sure. My name is David Miller. Here's my passport.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. Could you also provide a credit card for the deposit?
Of course. Here you go.
Perfect. Your total comes to $360 for 3 nights. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the ground floor.
Great. Is there a gym or a swimming pool in the hotel?
Yes, we have a fitness center on the 2nd floor and a swimming pool on the rooftop. Both are open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Excellent. That's everything I need. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Mr. Miller. Here is your room key. Your room number is 1005. The elevator is just to your right. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you, Sarah. Have a great evening.
Thank you. If you need anything, just call the front desk. Good night.